Hello my friends, so welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a review of my latest Amazon favorite, which is the Epicka Travel Garment Steamer. So let's get into it. Okay, Epicka Travel Handheld Garment Steamer. Caution, hat surface, travel handheld garment steamer. It's safe to use on all types of fabric. Produces steam within 90 seconds. Thermal infused dual protection for safety. Removes wrinkles easily. No ironing necessary. Easy to use, lightweight, and perfect for home or travel. So this is perfect for us because we usually go to travel a lot. So this is gonna be so handy. So let's open the box. Right there. This comes with this. Oh, this is the measuring cup where you put water and put it on this one. That's one. I think this is the bag. Okay. Oh, no. This is the gloves. So like you do like that. Okay. One. This is the instruction manual. There's an Epicka guarantee card. That. And this is I think this is the case, like a traveling case. Let's see. There. Epicka. Ooh, how soft. How soft it is. There. And you open this one like that. There. And comes with, let's see. There you go. And comes with this. And the cord. There you go. So it says caution, hat surface, and our QC team thoroughly tested every unit prior to shipping. Some residual water from the test might remain in the unit or the water tank. This is normal and does not mean that you have received a used steamer. If you have any concerns or questions, please contact us at support@epitech.com. We will respond within 1 business day and strive for your 100% satisfaction. Okay, so I think this one is for the steam. See this one? There. And this is where the steam okay, and then this is the glass chambers, I think. Oh, this is where you put the water. Let's see how to use this. You have to open. Oh, how to open it? Oh, there. Okay, so it's like that, right? And then open it like that. It's just easy to open. There. And then you can put water in here using this. So water like that. This is the minimum, and I think it's up to here, right? And then close it. Right there. So that's it for the unboxing. We're gonna try this one in a little bit later, okay? So I'm here in the kitchen. I'm gonna fill this up with distilled water, and see this little cup right here, and then you can see the max. That's the max, maximum. The max right there, that's the maximum water. That's the maximum water you're gonna filling it with. And so put this on a surface like this, like flat on the surface, and then we're gonna open it right here, like that. There. So let's fill it up with water, slowly but surely. And then close it like this. See the water right there? There. Okay, we are ready. So I put water on the steamer already, and then we're gonna test this one on this shirt right here, which you can see it's like wrinkled. We'll see if it's gonna do wonders on it. Okay, so the cord is a little bit small, like this one. There, it's a little bit small, guys. So I'm gonna do like that right there, and then plug it in. Plug it in like that. So when traveling, you can just do like that in your room. All right. So you can see it's lighting right there, and then this is a hot surface right here. This is a hot surface right here, so don't touch it, especially here. This is the steamer button, so you're gonna press this one, I think, when you're ready to steam. That's the steamer button right there. Okay. So I'm gonna grab this protector glove. All right, we are ready. Oh yes, see, it's hot in here. It's hot. It's starting to get hot here. So let's try it. Press here, press. Oh, see this one? You can see it? So let's try it on this side. There is like drops of water that you can see. But you know what, guys? Oh my goodness, this is so good. It is so good. So oh. So did you see the difference? and then when you're done, you can press it. I don't know if you can hear it. I mean, it is so strong. The steam is strong. So this is a good one. And the water right there, you can see like when the water is on its minimum right there, then you can stop and then refill it. So what do you guys think? Let's stop it. There. I put it like on a flat surface like that. And then see, like, did it work? I think it did. So this is the steam part, and this one is the unsteam part. See? So I think this Epicka travel garment steamer is like the best. It's highly recommended, and aside from its like portability, like it's easy to carry and stuff, it won't take like much of space in your luggage. So after using this Epicka, after using this one, it's a little bit hot in here, so let it like sit for a while and let it cool down before you put it before you clean it, because you need to remove the water that's inside before packing it up again. Okay.